Many home buyers often find themselves enamored with designs that exceed their budget. Understanding your financial limits can prevent this. Begin by establishing a monthly budget that feels comfortable for housing expenses. Remember, your mortgage payment consists of various costs, not solely the price of the house. This will include payments for mortgage principal and interest. Don't forget to account for property taxes in your monthly budget. Homeowners insurance should also be factored into your expenses. If applicable, include homeowners association fees in your financial considerations. Private mortgage insurance may be necessary, particularly with a low down payment. Try to keep housing costs within a reasonable portion of your monthly income. Affordability issues extend beyond merely the home's purchase price. Bear in mind the additional costs associated with constructing a home. Include the land purchase cost within your total budget. Don't forget about site preparation expenses as well. Excavation costs are important to consider while building your home. Foundation expenses are a critical part of the construction process. Utility connections may significantly increase your overall expenses. Incorporate driveways and sidewalks into your budget planning. Don't overlook landscaping costs when budgeting for your home. Permits and inspections are necessary elements within your planning process. Be sure to include appliance costs in your overall budget assessment. Interior finishes can also represent a considerable investment. Think about the cost of furniture when evaluating your financial plan. Additionally, plan for unexpected construction expenses that might occur. Many buyers believe that bigger homes are superior. But is that a universal truth? Consider how you and your family truly live on a daily basis. Reflect on whether every room will be actively used. Assess the level of maintenance you are prepared to undertake. Think about potential changes in family size that may arise. If you work remotely, consider how that influences your space requirements. Are gatherings with guests a frequent occurrence? Would you prefer to invest in high-quality finishes over having extra space? Sometimes, a well-designed smaller space feels more comfortable than a poorly laid-out larger one. Concentrate on features that genuinely enhance your everyday living experience. A spacious walk-in pantry can be a valuable addition to your home. An open-concept kitchen can improve overall flow within your living space. A primary suite on the first floor can offer considerable convenience. Having a designated home office is increasingly essential in today's world. Outdoor living spaces can greatly enrich your quality of life at home. A 3-car garage may be vital for your personal needs. Bonus rooms can add much versatility to your living environment. Consider the benefits of integrating smart home technology for improved functionality. Think about long-term implications when designing your home to minimize future expenses. Larger homes typically incur higher ongoing costs. Expect increased heating and cooling expenses with larger houses. Utility bills will naturally rise for expansive homes. Larger properties demand more maintenance as time passes. Cleaning sizable areas can become a more daunting task. Furnishing a larger home can also become notably more costly. Don't forget higher roofing and maintenance costs associated with big houses. Consider how your living situation might evolve over the next few decades. Will you need extra space for an expanding family down the line? Could your aging parents potentially move in with you in the future? Will you desire a smaller residence upon reaching retirement? Keep future accessibility needs in mind as you grow older. A flexible floor plan may help avoid costly renovations down the line. Explore various house plans before you finalize your decision. Stock house plans simplify the comparison of multiple professional designs. Check the total square footage for different plans available. Determine how many bedrooms and bathrooms will meet your needs. Evaluate the size of the garage included in each plan. Decide if you prefer a single-story or multi-story home. Seek out a style that resonates with your preferences. Investigate the available outdoor living spaces in your options. Ensure there's adequate storage in your selected plans. Assess the potential for future expansions based on your choices. Engage with your builder from the start of the planning phase. Discuss your house plan alternatives with your builder early on. An experienced builder can provide valuable insights on construction costs. This can lead to design adjustments that save money over time. Many designed plans offer customizations to meet your specific needs. Stock plans often allow for adjustments to better fit your requirements. Common updates might include enlarging selected spaces or altering layouts. You may want to increase the garage size for added convenience. Enhancing pantry space can optimize your home's utility. A bonus room may provide additional space for recreational activities. You might wish to revise kitchen layouts to improve usability. Consider changing foundation types according to your preferences. Upgrading outdoor areas can greatly enhance your home's overall appeal. Adjust room dimensions to suit your needs more effectively. Strive for a balance when contemplating size and features for your home. It's not just about constructing the largest home possible within your budget. Focus on creating a living space that aligns with your lifestyle and future aspirations. Amazing Plans offers a wide range of house plans for every style. Visit amazingplans.com to find your dream home.